Hey Glide community. With the release of the new multi-filters on Glide apps, as well as seeing in the forum some people asking about applying filters to various screens all in one, kind of in a user settings or preferences kind of way, I thought to create this template tutorial. So what I have here is a Learning Center app, um, just something I thought of where I could apply different filters and preferences. So we've got articles, and articles shows just the um, simple old style of single filter, um, and that only affects this one list or collection. And then on trainings, we have the new multi multi-column filter. So here we can filter by topic, which is what the last filter did. Um, we can also filter by location, and if it has any seats left in the class. Um, yeah, again, that just filters to just this one collection, like the articles only applied filter to that one. Study groups is the same thing where we've got this multi-filter that can apply, and I also showed how you can group your collection. All right, so that's the basics of the app. And now how do we apply the global settings? Um, so we've got the direct method. I think that's most common. Sometimes people add a little switch that displays this or not right at the top of um, your screen. That's kind of the custom way to do what we can now do with this glide feature. So with the direct method, we're just using chips or dropdown or radio or something to write directly to our settings sheet or user profile sheet. Um, that's nice enough, but if a user is clicking around quickly, that'll cost you a lot of updates, especially if you have a lot of different things to filter by. And a lot of options. Like on this, it's going to cost 1 update, 2 update, 3 update. And if they change their mind, it's just going to keep costing you a lot of updates. So what I prefer is this edit screen method where you place all your settings into a settings sheet. It's just a single row with a bunch of user specific columns. And then your button opens up an edit form. Now with the edit form, you can click as much as you want and it's not costing you updates, which is great if you've got a lot of options for people to click. It's only costing you 1 update when they submit. Yeah, so those filters, we can clear that and clear what we had set here. And it's applying those kind of topic interests and locations. I think I picked online in Atlanta for these two groups. It's applying that across everything. So if you want to apply something where you have settings for like a time period, you want to display all your data for just the last week or month or 2 months or year, you can do it that way. Or in another app I have for making friends, you have people setting their preference for who they want to match with based off of age and gender and location. So you can do all that with this kind of user settings method. All right, I'm going to post this to the template store and hopefully it gets approved quickly so people can check it out. All right, thanks.